Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you two stocks that are about to take off. First of all, you need to understand that in the stock market, you have to allow your money to work for you. That's the first thing you should know. Your money should be working for you. How? By buying stocks that you know, that you have researched, and you have a proper analysis that these stocks are going up. So today I'm going to share with you two stocks that I have checked, and with the information that they have around them, these stocks will be heading to the upside. The first one that I'm going to talk about today is called Palantir. Palantir is actually an AI semiconductor stock. It sort of mimics what Nvidia and AMD do. Okay, but what makes Palantir interesting is that the price is actually very juicy. The current price is about $21. Okay, this stock has been hovering for some time within $20 and $21. Just take a look here. Can you see this? It has been hovering. So there is something else I want you to see. Okay, so now around February, they reported their earnings. Okay, and then the stock was around $18. And after reporting earnings, the stock hit $24 and eventually touched $27.50. Amazing, right? And after that, let me clean this up. After that, you can see that since touching this place, he has not had another touch, but he has been hovering within this. So he has a strong support around $20, actually around 20.70, thereabouts. This stock has been hanging within this. He has been more of consolidating and preparing for a big takeoff. Now, they also reported earnings this month of May. And as you can see here, after reporting earnings, it took off a little bit and came further down again. Now, they just recently won a contract with the US government worth about $480 million. And with the news alone, the stock is already making its move. And a lot of people are going to have some interest and want to buy into this. So if you want to make money, this is what I call the sleep well at night. What I mean is, you buy this stock, you go and chill. You can check it once a week just to see the movement. I'm going to give you the target price to buy and where to sell. Okay, so now the target is, if the stock comes down to 20.70 or below, or 20.80, you see these two range, it is a buy. You buy once you see it at this ranges, buy. And you can actually allow this stock to ride up to $23. You can ride it to $23. You can ride it to $25. You can ride it to $27, and it can get to $30. So this is the kind of stock that you can buy. It is not an overnight thing. It may take weeks. It may even take maybe a month plus. I just have no idea exactly when it's going to happen, but just know that everything is going to click. So this is the very first stock, and I want you to see it. Now here's the second stock. The second stock is SoFi, SOFI. Actually, this is a bank, but is a fintech bank. This particular stock is used to pay student loans. So people use it to take loans. So when people take loans, the US government uses it to pay off student loans that study in America. This particular stock, as you can see here, is been for quite some time. It's been hovering within this range, 6.80 and moving up to 7. So if you can grab this stock around 6.80 or lower. Let me clean this. Get this stock within 6.80, and you have the patience. This stock can actually get to $8, can actually get to $9. Like I said in the previous stock, this particular stock, you have no idea exactly when. So it may take a few days, it may take a few months, but this is called easy money. Easy money, you can make over $100, you can make up to $500 depending on how much you have that you want to use to buy this particular stock. So if you have like $700, that would get you about 100 shares. This singular move from 6.8 to $8 to $9 can give you around 200 to 200 and something dollars. So you can imagine how you can sit in one place and you can just earn this money while you are doing any other thing. And I'll be sharing some other stocks that are ready to pop. Don't miss the next video. See you.